There are three types of dummies, and we're going to practice today identifying these three types of dummies. And they're very distinctive, although we're going to have a little comparison going on. There's going to be one clear type of dummy today, but then you're going to have a mixture of some of the dummies. And that's what makes this kind of idea, this thinking process, so challenging. Is sometimes it looks like a long suit dummy when it's actually a short suit dummy, and sometimes it looks like a short suit dummy when it's actually a dead dummy. So we're going to identify the three, which I just mentioned: long suit dummy, short suit dummy, and dead dummy. And then we're spending the rest of the class comparing the two. So when we're at the table and we have a dummy in front of us, we have a better chance of identifying it as the correct dummy. The whole idea of identifying what kind of dummy you have in front of you is the defensive technique towards it. Okay, and so let's talk about our strategy when we see an L type dummy. That's our long suit dummy. And it's a dummy very clear, I think, for the most part. Well, you know, it's not clear, but a lot of them are clear. And I think of the long suit dummy as one where you're sitting at the table and you see this long suit dummy in front of you, right? You're defending, and the dummy is a long suit dummy. And I think about looking around the room and pulling the fire alarm, right? You know, those little things up on the wall you can pull, and then the alarm comes and the fire department comes. It's an emergency when you see a long suit dummy. Okay, the long suit dummy is the most dangerous type of dummy. And most of these ideas are used in a suit contract, but you can carry them over to no trump as well. There's no reason not to. We're going to find one of our dummies is a short suit dummy. Well, obviously that can't be in no trump because you trump with short suit dummies. But the dead dummy and the long suit dummy are very much alive versus no trump contracts. So for our class, think suits, but no, you can use some of the ideas in no trump contracts. So here we go. It's an emergency. It's a long suit dummy. And it means instead of pulling the fire alarm and getting the fire company, the fire truck to your house, what you want to do is search out for your sides, your defensive sides tricks.